No? Meron na ba siyang sinabi na hindi niya pinulfill, hindi na pangyari? Numbers 23:19. God is not man that he should lie, or a son of man that he should change his mind. Has he said and will he not do it? Or has he spoken and will he not fulfill it? So makikita po natin dito, sa pagkakasulat po ng Numbers 23:19, pinapakita po dito yung integridad ng Panginoon. Ang sabi po niya, God is not man that he should lie. Okay? So, again, what is the message of God's integrity? Ano po sa atin or paano tayo maapektuhan ng pagkakaroon ng integridad ng Panginoon? Number one, because He is integrity, He is what? Pakibasa po yung nasa screen. He is faithful. Because God has His integrity, therefore He is faithful. Hello? Okay? Pag sinabi po nating faithful, ano po yon? Hindi po siya kompletong pananampalataya, ha? Faithful. Ano po pag sinabing faithful? Siya po ay tapat. Okay? He is faithful. Makita po natin yan. Di ba sabi dun sa verse 19, God is not man that he should lie. Okay? Hindi po tao ang Diyos para siya ay magsinungaling. Has He said and will He not do it? Or has He spoken and will not fulfill it? Meron na bang sinabi ang Diyos na hindi niya ginawa? No? Meron na ba siyang sinabi na hindi niya pinulfill, hindi na pangyari? So if we could read our Bible, mga kapatid, covenants are always God-initiated. Hello? Covenants in the Bible, okay, are always God's initiated. Okay? I am talking about the covenants na hindi pumapalpak. Diba? These covenants are not made in hasty situation or in rushing. But these covenants are made by what? By the faithfulness of God. Based on the faithfulness of God. Okay?